Hello student, welcome to online class of class 5 English grammar. In this video I will tell you about chapter 17 perfect tense in present form and also in past form. As we have done in our online classes, some of the exercises has already been done. In this video I will tell you about the exercise given in page number 119. The exercise given in page number 119 we will do in this video how to do the exercise. The question is, this sentence are in simple present or simple past. Here this sentence are in simple past or in simple present or simple past tense. Rewrite them in both present perfect and past perfect tense. It means the sentence given in this there is 15 sentence, 15 questions. All the sentence may be in present form or in past form, but we have to change this sentence in past perfect and also in present perfect tense. Let's do one by one what is the present form and also the past form. The first question is the carpenter repaired the broken window. This sentence is in past, simple past, because it is ed. It means second form of repair. It is repaired. So the present perfect of this sentence is the carpenter has repaired the broken window. This is the present perfect form of the sentence. The carpenter repaired the broken window. In the same way, when we write the past perfect of this sentence, it will be the carpenter has had. It become the has become had in past form. So it will be the carpenter had repaired the broken window. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is the society members report matter to the authority. In this sentence, the society members, our subject is in plural form. So when we change this sentence in present perfect, the present perfect of this sentence is the society member have reported. The word report change into third form, it becomes reported. So in this way the society member have reported matter to the authority. Now the same sentence can be written in past perfect form and it becomes the society member had. In place of have we have to write had reported to the authority. In this way we have written the same sentence in present perfect and also in past perfect tense. Now comes to question number 3. The question is the king gave up. We have to read this together. Gave up, taking other kingdom. This sentence is in simple past. So when we change this into present perfect, the king is a singular word. So the king has, we have to use has because the king is a singular word. So the king has given, the third form of the word gave, it is given up, taking other kingdom. This is the present perfect form of the sentence. Now the past perfect of the same sentence will be the king had given up, taking other kingdom. Here the has changed into had and given up is remain as same. So it is the king had given up, taking other kingdom. Now in question number 4, the question is the cook prepared delicious food for us. In this sentence the cook, it is a singular word and prepared is a second form. So it is in simple past. So when we change this sentence in simple perfect, present perfect, it become the cook has prepared. The cook has prepared. Has we use because our subject is singular, that's why we use has. The cook has prepared delicious food for us. In the same way, when we write the same sentence in past perfect, it become the cook had. The cook had prepared delicious food for us. In this way, we have done all the two sentences in present perfect with writing has prepared, and in past perfect by writing had prepared. So now comes to question number 5. The 5 is the Secret Service agent mistake for Martin. So here in this sentence, the Secret Service agent mistake us for Martin. The present perfect of this sentence will be the Secret Service agent has mistaked. Here to write in present perfect, we have to use has and mistakes us for Martin. Now the same sentence can be written in past perfect and it become the Secret Service agent had mistake us for Martin. Okay, now come to question number 6. Question number 6 is Simi read a lot of travel books. Here Simi is a name of a girl and it is a singular subject. So when we write this sentence in simple, this sentence is in simple present. This sentence is in simple present. When we change this into present perfect and past perfect, it become in present perfect. It is Simi has read. Because Simi is a singular, so we use has for singular subject. Simi has read a lot of travel book, because the third form of read, it is same. There is no change in spelling, so it remains same. And when we write the same sentence in past perfect, it will Simi had read a lot of travel books. In the same way, we have done the same sentence both in present perfect by writing has read and same sentence in past perfect, that is had read. Now come to question number 7. The question is mother scolded me for not cleaning up my room. In this sentence, mother is a singular subject, so we use has for present perfect, that is mother has scolded. Here it will be scolded me for not cleaning up my room. Okay, here mother has scolded me for not cleaning up my room is a present perfect of the sentence. Now the past perfect of the same sentence will be mother has scolded me for not cleaning up my room. Now come to question number 8. The cricketer shocked everyone by scoring a century. In this sentence, the cricketer is a singular subject, so when we change this sentence in present perfect, it becomes the cricketer has. The cricketer has shocked everyone by scoring a century. In the same way, when we write this sentence in past perfect, it becomes the cricketer had shocked everyone by scoring a century. In this way we have written the same sentence in present perfect and also in past perfect. Now come to question number 9. My mother always wear a sari. The present perfect of this sentence will be my mother has always wore a sari. Here the third form of wear is wore. Now in past perfect, my mother had always wore a sari. Now come to question number 10. The Malhotras live in Kolkata. Here the Malhotras, it is a plural word, so we have to use have, or you can say has also. Malhotra is a single family. Malhotra have, the Malhotras have lived in Kolkata, and the present past perfect of this is the Malhotra had lived in Kolkata. In this way we have done all the 10 exercises of this book. 5 of the exercises are more in your book, so that you will try yourself. That is your assignment. Here I have given 10 sentences and in detail you can write this in your fair copy. I hope you have understood. Thank you.